Hey everybody, it's Mr. Fix Your Phone here, and today we're going back in time. iPhone 5S. Let's get into it. I'm gonna remove the bottom two screws. Open, 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 open. Be careful because there is a home button cable here. Right there. Oh, it's been opened before. Spicy. Remove the battery connector. Unplug the battery. Disconnect LCD digitizer and proximity sensors. Remove ear speaker shield and ear speaker. Go. Remove home button shield and screws, and then remove the home button. Go. Also carefully remove the proximity sensor without breaking it, and the home button flex cable as well. This phone is a bit old school, so we have to remove the shield as well. Just close up the phone. Good as new. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.